Hi, welcome back to this video. We're talking about the Centrify SSH gateway. And in the previous videos, we have discussed the ability for it to consolidate identities, provide identity assurance with MFA, enforce policy, maintain compatibility or alignment with the least privilege principle of security, implement a workflow, access requests even via the SSH jump box, how you can monitor in real time, do session capture and replay. But now I want to focus on infrastructure simplicity and reuse. So the whole reason behind the SSH gateway is to allow end users to use shared accounts or initiate sessions in a secure manner, in a monitored manner, without having to visit an application or web portal. So you've seen me in the previous videos typing in, for example, passwords or oath codes. One of the benefits of the solution is that it is based on a platform that has many capabilities, including the ability to have, for example, um, a, um, a mobile device enrolled. So capabilities like being able to check out a password from a mobile device and being able to even satisfy a auth code with push or mobile authenticator call with push make life much easier. So for example, notice that I'm using the connection string here. And notice that I have now mobile authenticator. So my user, all she needs to do is I'm getting the notification here and I can approve it. Once approved, we can just press enter here and we'll be past that challenge. And we don't have to compromise um, the the usability of the solution, because we are implementing more security controls. So some of the times we are trying to show you the steps because ultimately we want to show you exactly what the experience would be, but we have ways to enhance it. Um, Another big benefit is that we are, in terms of the Centrify connector, we're reusing a lot of it. So if we look at the network infrastructure, what you'll see is that all I have here is, and let me just delete this too, is one Centrify connector. But that Centrify connector, through the period of this demo, you've seen it provide me RDP services. It's actually the AD proxy. It has the ability to become a Radius client or a server, an LDAP proxy. And look at the flexibility. For example, I can actually modify the settings for the SSH gateway, including the ports, including, for example, the banner for it to align with security practices. Um, and again, I can segregate the functions that are available in the connector. So I can separate, for example, LDAP or AD proxies from SSH gateway services. So there's a lot of flexibility, a lot of focus on usability, and I'm hoping that this series um, was useful for you to see how you can evaluate this type of solution.